You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, very common in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary that is confusing in English, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. English pronunciation. Sibling. Let's break down the pronunciation. It's each of two or more children or offspring. Si, short E sound. Sibling. Stress on the first syllable. How to pronounce English pronunciation. Sibling or siblings is the plural. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.